What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity and welcome to VincaniTV. Long time no see. I have an important review video I wanted to share with you today. As some of you might know, my wife and I, we purchased our very first home recently. And the past couple months I've been doing a lot of renovations, from redoing the whole kitchen and the floors and painting and all types of things. But we're finally moved in. We still got a lot of projects to do, but this was kind of the first project we knocked out since moving here. And I wanted to share this with you. My wife and I, we were both very much coffee lovers. So we figured, why not have a coffee bar in our very own home? So we built this coffee bar. She kind of designed it and I helped execute it. We found this piece of wood in my grandfather's wood shop that was just buried in there. And my dad helped me cut it into a countertop. I cut the pieces, installed it. I put some Odie's oil on it, and now we have a fully functioning espresso bar. It's pretty much a coffee shop right here. We got the knock box, got the cup rinser. And the product I wanted to share with you all today is actually gonna be the water filter. So this is a water filter by Waterdrop. It is a instant hot water. It has a reverse osmosis water filtration system, so it is very clean water. I go to the store every other week and I pump five 5-gallon jugs of water, and so it is a lot to carry. And I've been doing this for like 10 years. So I thought it was about time to do an upgrade. So we got the Waterdrop filter. It's an instant hot water. Let me just show you the normal water. Right, it's pretty cool. It's actually, I feel very high tech doing it. Boom. Got the water. And as soon as you're done, boom. It tells you the temperature of the hot water right here. It's great tasting, even better than what I was getting at the store. This feels cool because it tells you the amount of particles. It says 12 TDS, right? And that kind of varies between like 8 to 13, which is in a very clean range. What's really cool, let me just put this water aside, is the instant hot water, right? So I know like the water dispenser has instant hot water, but I don't know why it feels so cool to have it coming straight from your faucet. We drink a lot of coffee, tea. We're just, I mean, not that we drink a lot of coffee, but we're just really into making coffee and making good coffee. So one thing that's really important about making good coffee is you need good water. If you don't have good water, it affects the taste of your coffee. So this is instant hot water. What's really cool, it has a locking device, which I really appreciate because of this guy. Any kid or anyone that, could potentially hurt themselves, you need something like this. So it's a safety lock. You tap it so it lights up, hold it for 3 seconds. You hear a beep, and then you press hot water. You can see it. The steam is coming out. He just said hot water. Anyways, I'm not gonna fill it all the way up, but pretty cool, right? Instant hot water whenever you want it. So me personally, I do have some plumbing experience, and so I know a lot of people are concerned about the installation. It's a little bit crowded down here, but let me just show you. So I got my knock box into my trash can. He's gonna show you it, right? And so pretty much, I think he knows what he's doing. He has plumbing experience, but it's pretty much like plug and play. Basically has 4 tubes that you have to install. The first one is your water supply that just plugs right into the cold water supply valve. And then that goes into your system. From the system, you can kind of see it from here, but you got the blue and the red, right? Hot and cold. Those basically just plug directly into your faucet. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you've heard of these like plug-in connections. You literally just push it in and that's it. So you don't even have to screw anything. So it's very user-friendly. Like I mentioned, I have some plumbing experience. I'm not a plumber, but I've done a lot of plumbing work. However, this is really easy. It's just boop, and it's in. The faucet, also pretty simple. You drop it in the hole, you screw it on, make it nice and snug. Waterdrop did a really great job making it user-friendly. They screwed it in just like he mentioned, and I'm really happy to have it in my house. You want some water? Here.
No.
Anyways, shout out to Waterdrop for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in getting your very own Waterdrop filter, you can click the link below and use my discount code provided below as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I will definitely be sharing some more house updates. Just been so busy just doing the renovation, so I'll definitely keep y'all posted. So keep in touch. I've been posting little videos on my Instagram for those who've been watching at B-Boy Vincanity. And make sure you, again, follow Waterdrop Filter at waterdropfilter. Thanks, y'all. Peace. Peace.
No.
Can you say peace?
No.
Can you say airplane?
Peace.
Peace.